Opening shot of a bustling city. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that over 500 hours of video content are uploaded to YouTube every minute? That's insane. Intro music fades in. Today, we're diving into the world of mobile content creation with our video titled How to Upload YouTube Videos on Mobile in 2024. Imagine the convenience of being able to share your life on the go. Transition to a person struggling with a phone. Now, let's address the common challenges many face when trying to upload videos on mobile. From file size limitations to concerns about video quality, it can be a real headache. Transition to a mobile phone screen, but fear not. We're here to guide you through the step-by-step process of uploading a video on YouTube using your mobile device. It's easier than you think. Just select your video, adjust the settings, and don't forget to add a catchy description. Transition to a progress bar filling up, and here comes the exciting moment. Your video is successfully uploaded. The satisfaction of seeing it go live for the world to view is truly priceless. It's like sharing a piece of your creativity with the world. Transition to a summary screen. To wrap things up, let's recap the key steps we covered in this video. Mobile video uploading in 2024 is all about ease and accessibility. It's never been simpler to share your content with the world. CTA banner slides in. Before you go, don't forget to drop a comment with your own mobile video uploading tips. And make sure to check out our other videos for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.